Hi, I have a question for you. How's your neck? Is it strong? Does it support you? Or do you sometimes have pain and find that it feels vulnerable at times? I have experienced extreme pain in my neck. I've had a disc herniation that led to a disc replacement between C6, C7. I won't go into the whole details of how I got there, but I will tell you that a strong, healthy neck is very, very important. Your head is connected to the rest of the spine, and that neck, the health of your neck really determines that connection. Just simple isometrics. Anyone can do this. You don't need any special equipment. However, it is very important that you sit tall with good awareness, good alignment, so that the center of your skull is connecting out of the center of the rib cage. Regardless whether you experience pain or not, this is a great practice to find more integration of how you connect your head through your neck into your heart, into the rest of your spine, pelvic floor, rooting down. So I like to start this practice up against a wall and just take a moment or two to breathe in and breathe out. And as I exhale, breathe out, that's an opportunity to connect more. My front into my back, the sides into my midline, and think of lifting, rowing, expanding my spine up the wall. And just how we want to sit sharp on our sit bones with a sense of neutrality in our pelvis, hips, we want the same thing for our head. So I'm using the wall to give me support here as I find my alignment. And again, you could just play, you can nod your ears to each shoulder, making sure that you're right in the middle. You can nod your head up or down, again, just to make sure you're right in the middle. You could rotate your spine side, or your head, to the side, and again, make sure you're right in the middle. So again, take a moment and really establish your sense of middle, so you know that your head is really integrating out of that center placement. And do some muscle energy. So to start, I'll take the right heel of my hand to the skull, right side of my skull. I'm going to hold my head strong, really lifting the roof of my mouth out of the floor of my pelvis through the center of my rib cage here. I'm just going to take 2 breaths. On the inhale, I'm expanding all the way up into my throat skull. And as I exhale, I'm going to connect my waistline, find the push into my head with my hand, and my head resists my hand, creating this strength here in the right side of my skull, neck, even through my waistline here. Inhale, release. Again, exhale. Think of my spine reaching taller as I root my sit bones deeper, lifting, strengthening my neck, reaching my skull right out of my pelvic floor. And then I'm going to go side 2, so left heel of hand to left side of skull, keeping the stability of my skull as I transition. Inhale deeply. Again, exhale. I just moved a little bit. Inhale deeply. Exhale. And now, heel of hand to forehead, keeping my integration. Inhale. Exhale. Connecting from my waist all the way up through my skull. Inhale. Exhale. And then one more time. Heel of hand to the back of the skull. Inhale, deep breath in. Deep breath out. Connecting, rooting, rising. Inhale. Exhale. And I just did 2 rounds of breath. You could do many more, but just doing that simple practice on a daily fashion, sitting with good awareness, good length in your spine, that idea of connecting all of our sides, and just using that isometric breath technique to exhale more connection, more reach. Hopefully it will give you some relief. All right, thanks so much for watching.